One of the strengths of Procreate is its streamlined interface, but it can also be a hurdle at first if you come from a classic program like Photoshop and you are used to your keyboard shortcuts to have the maximum efficiency. Procreate also has keyboard shortcuts, but I'll assume not a lot of people use the iPad with an external keyboard when drawing. So instead, it's a good idea to get accustomed to the quick menu and the copy-paste menu. The copy-paste menu display is fixed and you can call it by swiping 3 fingers towards the bottom on the screen. And you can see you have all your copy and paste options without having to go in the layers menu. You can also change the touch gesture to call it in the preference menu under the touch commands tab. So right here you see mine is set to a swipe with 3 fingers. But the best part also found in this list is the quick menu, right here. I set up mine to appear upon a 4-finger press. When called, it gives you an array of shortcuts fully editable. You can edit each button with a long press on it, opening up a scroll menu to see what function you desire to give to your button. And also you can create multiple quick menus with the button in the middle that allows you to switch quickly between one and the other. With the plus button you can create a new quick menu, which by default will have nothing on it, but it's up to you to decide whatever you want to put in this menu. It's a very good idea to take some time to set this up for your workflow and get used to it, because it can really speed up your work and also make you almost never have to go back to the menus or layer panels to select these commands.